Welcome, this is Abby.
and Joy. And for today's episode, which entitled Dealing with Failures. This is episode 16.
Yeah, 16 kita, Day.
Finally, Dai. Lumalaban Japan.
Yeah, sweet 16. Char.
Dai, so how do we define failures, Dai?
In our own terms lang, no?
Mm,
Kuan, Day, para nako, no? Failure is like an unwanted outcome that you experience at
mm,
some point in your life
mm,
that made you cry, made you sad, made you
mm,
question some decisions that you made in your life. Whether it is pertaining with your failed career move, failed
mm,
relationship, or as simple as a failed judgment. These experiences will help you either to become more stronger baron as an individual or
mm,
to break you into pieces. So it's your
mm,
choice, Day. Ikaw, Day,
mm.
unsa imong definition sa failure?
Similar to yours, Dai, it's unsuccessful like events in your life. It doesn't mean that you fail in certain things in life, like failure na ka as a person. So it's just like a certain area of your life where you lack of success or unsuccessful, kumbaga.
As in, Day. Nya,
Mm.
Day, kanang, if you can recall in your past experiences, like, do you have any life experiences in particular in relation to failure po?
Mm. There are so many instances, they know, that I failed in certain areas of my life. But as I've mentioned, it doesn't mean that we are a failure. For example, pursuing to becoming a registered nurse here in the UK, there was a lot of hurdles along the way. One of it was passing IELTS. I failed the IELTS exam countless times that I was really in the verge or on the verge of giving up and really questioned myself if it was really for me, like becoming a nurse here in the UK. I even questioned myself in terms of my capabilities. Then one day, Dai, a door of opportunity just opened up. Um, there was a time where an organization shouldered my study and even my exam fee. All I have to do was to do my part to attend and practice IELTS. For the longest time, I was just doing a self-study, which I did fail in the exam, I must admit. And apart from that, though it was disheartened every time I failed, I didn't give up and even persevere. And I always believe na that time will come, and it really happened. Actually, die. And another example is or was failed relationship. It was I was in a relationship for a long time, but in the end, it did not work. But even though it wasn't a successful relationship that I wanted, I learned so many things about myself. And now I'm not rushing. I am taking my time and enjoying what we call singlehood or single blessedness. I can tell that I'm at peace, content, and happy, and even appreciate myself even more. And as well as like job opportunities, there isn't it? There was one time I can recall that I applied for a post for to become assistant lecturer in one of the universities here in London. I got shortlisted and but I failed in my interview. They said even though theory wise I'm good at it, but it's just lack of experiences. That's why I didn't got the job. But even though I didn't get the job, I always remind myself that everything happens for a reason. I'm not gonna lie. You will feel sad, but you just have to remind yourself that it wasn't the right time for you. How about you, Dai?
Wait, kind of similar to yours actually in terms of relationship and in terms of like exams. Like
Mm,
to be honest, an episode is not enough to say all my failures in my life. But
mm,
one significant thing that I cannot forget about it, which helped me to become where I am right now, is actually when I failed my first dream of becoming an overseas nurse. My
Mm.
humble recollection on that, when me and my best friend like had a lifelong dream of going to Singapore
Mm.
together to become a nurse there. Actually, it was her dream, and I just wanted to go with her dream as long as we are together, because best friends lagi ana ba. So we actually went even to Manila to process everything together
Mm.
with some of our friends. We are actually eight of us.
Mm.
I and at that time I actually helped her to have an employment certificate, because at that time the owner of the hospital that we are working was actually a good friend of my father. So mootong naka-employment certificate siya. To my
Mm.
dismay, she passed the SG nursing licensure exam, and me,
Mm.
I failed. I was really, I was really devastated at that time, because all my dreams was seemingly gone. Like after a few days, and then after a few days after my failed
Mm.
exam, I just knew that all my documents, like my original documents like diploma, TOR,
Mm.
nursing, ano na, board certificate ba na? Oh,
Mm.
board certificate, nasunog siya, Jai.
Really?
Like
Wow.
literally nasunog siya, because one of my colleague went to that agency in the Manila, and then I just asked her if she can bring my documents rather than me going to Manila at that time.
Mm.
So in my despair, nasunog ilang balay dahil so naapil akong documents, no?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that was 3 days after I knew I failed my exam, ha? So, grabe, no? I did not, wala pa gay ko ka move on sa katong field exam, yung gitagaan ko,
Mm.
gitagana na problem ni Lord. But you know what? Even though I went in that kind of situation, I was really like left hanging. I cannot
Mm.
really, all the negativities na adyo to tanan. But I
Mm.
didn't give up, and I was hoping that someday God will give me my dream of becoming an overseas Filipino worker.
Mm.
Not It may not be that time, but it will be by his time. So
Mm.
nakahatag na kog hope kay ang passport na anak ko. So niya na jud ni
Mm.
Lord ato nga time. O nagsunog man tanang documents nako, but my passport was still with me. So makalarga
Mm.
jud ko. Dili
Mm.
karon pero soon. And
Mm.
ana gani, and then tanawa ko ron, I'm here in UK without expecting or without even dreaming about UK. I was just
Mm.
dreaming of being an overseas Filipino worker
Mm.
someday,
Mm.
but God really has a better plan than I planned for myself, because he got me here in UK.
Mm.
And then I cannot even imagine nga nakaabot ko UK, kaya ang ako arang
Mm.
dream kay Mare Lion rana. Then
Mortgage
naabot
day
jud
nga.
ta sa mga
Mm.
fish and chips, wow, sa mga royals. So inana jud akong beauty.
Mao gyud day kanang looking back at it, like there was a silver lining, meaning to say di gyud siguro meant for you nga magtrabaho sa Singapore kay imong beauty pang UK gyud day.
Yes,
Mao gyud na
Jai.
ang intention, probably looking back at it,
Mm.
God wants the best for you as a stepping stone UK, and then next time or next year puhon pag US na imong beauty day.
Bitaw, who knows
So
what will
ana
happen, no? What will
ana
happen?
lang siya, oo. Pag di gyud siya pang kuan Singapore imong beauty pang royal family gyud.
Syempre, Dai, kuan jud ni pang dato jud ni atong beauty, no? May tag atong pamanik kay pang dato sad.
Uy, kutas porcelana biya jay.
Asa jud dapit?
So
Gago.
by like looking back at it, how did you feel, or how did you deal with your failures?
Um, I'm the kind of person who doesn't keep any for myself. I really
Mm,
wanted to vent out my feelings, kay makautot ta
mm.
day og dili na ko i-vent out ang feelings nako, no? Lisod kay na magkumkum og feelings. So at that time, because I
Mm,
was really frustrated, I was really devastated. I was
Mm.
hurt and gloomy akong feeling like my dreams
Oo,
and
oo.
aspirations in life was shattered at that time. So I deal it by crying, by
Mm.
telling it to all my closest friends, to my family, how unsa na how lonely I am nga nganong nahitabo to siya ana gani. And then after a few days of sobbing and crying with it,
Mm.
that's when I grasp the situation and I heal. I heal and forgive myself for the failure that I never wanted in the first place.
Mm.
And through that, I was accepting the situation and diha nako
Mm.
na sort out ang mga nindot out sa akong failure. Like the
Mm. Mm.
former, like I said earlier, bisag nasunog ako ang tanan documents, but God gave me one hope by sparing my passport. And that was
Mm.
my sign that, oh, God really wants me to be an overseas Filipino worker in His time,
Mm.
and it's and not on my timeline. Murag ingon
Truly
ana
gyud
ba?
day.
And then
Mm. Mm.
tanawa karon as I said earlier, na ako sa akong wala ko nag-expect nga makaabot kog UK, to be honest, kay kinsa kalayo sa UK, no, sa Pilipinas nya UK, but iyahang dream na ko kay mag UK ko. So God
Correct.
willing, naadyo ko, naabot jud ko. And then, na-realize na ko nga, only when you look at failure as a blessing in disguise, that you will learn that everything really happens for a reason.
Yeah, that is true though because tinuod yun na day nga blessing gyud day is happens in disguise gyud nga wala pud nimo gi-expect like karon na naka sa UK di ko nimo maila-ila di ta magkaamiga.
Ka-perfect ba?
Wala
Nasingit dayon
wala
iyahang gift.
wala podcast na tamo day.
Grabe kaayo ba? O, tinuod bitaw, oy. Kana ganing
Mo nang
kinsa
everything happens for a reason gyud day.
Yeah. Kaya
Mura
gay
blessing gyud
gi-align
na
ni
ni
Lord
Lord.
kung kinsa ang
Mm.
bagay sa imong life karon, and then kinsa imo stay sa imong life. Nya
Mm.
kung wala ko nabot og UK, di sad ka kailan ako.
Correct, Dai. Back to you.
Back to you. Nya kung wala si Sheila, di sa ta magkailan, no?
Correct.
Napulit na sad ang mama ni Bella Hiluna.
Back to you.
Back to you, Sheila Kabahog.
Ay,
Ikaw,
tinuod,
Dai.
Dai.
Same as the question earlier. Giyon sa nimo pag kuan. Giyon sa nimo pag kuan sa failure.
Ano, Dai, back then, it's just natural because we are all human. You feel sad, you feel down, you feel disappointed sometimes. But one thing that really helps me in terms of like if I had failures or if I have failures in the future is ano day, like I write sometimes in my diary and even prayer. Really prayer for me is like a powerful tool to communicate to our Heavenly Father. And I had and have to meditate in God's words and His promises for me. I had and I have to condition myself by accepting the things that everything in life happens for a reason and also letting go of the things that was and is beyond our control because sometimes they know we like to be in control of our life but dili day siya plano sa Ginoo para sa imuha. And then more importantly nga i-condition mo imong mind like everything happens in His perfect timing as you mentioned um earlier on imong na mention but everything we have to do is we have to be patient in His time and not stopping in pursuing your goal for instance.
As in, oy ka
Mm,
nice pod oy. Tinuod yun na day. Kanang nabaya na siya sa Latin word ora et labora kay numdum ko na sa among school. Work and prayer kailangan
mm.
naadyo na siya, tandem gyud na siya.
Combination to tinuod gyud tinuod gyud na sa ato ang um, saying 'di ba nga nasa tao ang gawa nasa Diyos ang awa. So God knows your heart's desire, kumbaga.
Exactly.
But
Exactly good day.
you never stop working hard in pursuing your dream or your goal, for instance. Kay hatag ra gyud na sa Ginoo if it aligns sa iyang plano para sa imuha.
Tinuod. Exactly
Mm.
gyud. Tinuod. Correct gyud na day. Correct. Unsa pa man. Exactly. Definitely. Ultimately. Ang LY tanan.
So day, so kanang for instance day or sa imuha day, what can you share to other people or sa ato mga tagpaminaw in dealing with failures either in the present and in the future?
Kung ano gyud akong ma-advise sa mga listeners nato no, or
Mm.
maka-proud. If you think it's the end of the world na because you have failed so many times,
Mm.
trust me, mga jay ug mga dong, it is part of your becoming. What do I mean by this? Becoming the best version of yourself,
That is
becoming
true.
more beautiful inside and out, more successful, and more discovery of yourself na makaingon
Mm.
ka, ay, kanakaya raman din ni nako. You think you can't, but you can because of
Mm.
that
That is so true.
failure. Like sa Bisaya pa, layo na ka, pero layo pa ka.
Mm.
Ana gani day. And then always put yourself in other else shoes. If you think you
Mm.
are a failure, if you feel self-pity, then always be mindful that there are a lot of people much worse than your situation. Mo gina akong
Mm.
ginapermi ko na kung feel ako nga murag na down ko, feel na ko nga murag daghan na kay kong failure sa life na ko nga murag wala pa ko naabot sa akong ganahan nga goal. Akong i-look
Mm.
forward na this was just my dream before. Mo na akong i-look forward nga damgo ra ba ni nako sa una niya gihatag sa Ginoo
Mm.
nako. So ay dili napay mas worse nako then nakaya nila ilahang mga circumstances nga mas worse pa nako. So
Mm.
by that mindset nga akong gi-compare akong self nga napay mas worse nako, I became
Mm.
more grateful and be mindful na dako gihapon kog pasalamat sa Ginoo nga
Mm.
na ako karon makaya nako karon kay napay mas worse nako so nothing to complain no.
Mm.
And then
Mm.
stop blaming yourself for what had happened, but start
Mm.
learning that failure is part of being human and it's what our choices that will make us flourish and be successful, or you
Mm.
will stay broken and, have self pity. It's the choices that matters in your life. It's not about what happened in the past or what will happen in the future, but
Mm.
doing what you can do in the present time and be grateful. Yun kanang a kind
Mm.
heart, a grateful heart will really help you to become kanang more thankful sa imong kinabuhi ba. Inana
Mm.
gani.
Mm.
Ikaw
That
dai, unsa
is
man imong
that is so
mahatag
true,
sa atong
Day.
mga followers in terms of failure?
Like to add on lang, no, I always tell to my friends or even people that I know that failure is just a spice in our life. It will like we will learn how to be strong as a person, how to persevere and to be patient and never give up in life. You know, there are times where you fail, but unsa ba imong gibuhat after you fail? That's the question. Like, kung mapandul ka, unsa man imong gibuhat? Muhilak ra ba ka? Or mo get up ka and then move forward? And for me, wala magoy ko like in life in general, there are times that it can be hard, but you know, but you have to remind yourself that giving up is not an option for me, ha. Like, and if others can do it, as you've mentioned, that you can do it as well. All we have to do is to be patient and continue to pursue your goals, pursue your dreams, because, like, I believe if the universe will align it in the right time, good then. And once you've reached success, just be grateful and always have humility. Kana bang mulingi gid ka ba sa imong unsa gani term sa
Galingan.
Tagalog, pinanggalingan. Because once you're above, let's use it as a platform to help others. Di lang kay nga magpabilin kang sa taas. Kay use it as a tool to help others in terms of helping them either to pursue their dreams or their goals in life, and always have a grateful heart, good, by helping others and be kind to others as well. For me, that it's the journey that is sweet, isn't it? Because even though you've failed so many times, you've learned so many things along the way.
Yeah, diha nimo ma-appreciate how kuan ka ba, how you deal with life. Life
Mm,
is not perfect, but because of your choices and because of your failure, you make your life um kanang you make your life worth living ba, worth living kay imong
mm,
gi ang kanang kung boring man pud kay ang life ug walay failure, no, boring pud ang life ug
mm,
walay downs ba,
mm,
ups and
mm,
downs man gyud na ang life, pero ang naka-nice, ang nakanindot ana, sakto to imong giingon nga kung mapandol ka, mustay ra ba ka diha or dili, mura ra gud ang giingon nila nga saying nga kana problema ayaw tambayi.
mm.
Oh, di ba?
Tinuod.
O
Tinuod yun.
ana, agi lang na problema pero ayaw jud na
Mm,
tambayi. Ana ra gud na good muka muhilak
mm.
pero mubangon na ka. Pero ra gud nang mabuwagan gud ka gud. Ala balag magtagay mo diyan tagay. Balag ma-wasted ka sa imo mga friends basta ikakita sa social media. Happy man naman kay ni siya nakabubon naman din siya.
True. And just come to think of it, kanang bitaw mga famous nga mga tao, like Bill Gates, for example, or other famous individuals who are inventors and pioneers of any technology, for instance, for sure, gyud ay niagi gyud na sila og failure. Wala na sila ma-successful sa ilang career if wala sila niagi og failure.
As you go along the way, kay as you fail and fail man good, you malikaya na man good na nimo siya, oh, I've been this one, so I will not do it again.
Mm,
Inana ba,
mm,
that's how you learn. Mura na gud kag mapaso good nga kabalo kag o napaso na kana, so kabalo na kung mapaso ka na, dili na nimo
mm,
usbon, no? Ana ba?
That's true. That is so true, Dai. So, Dai, at the end, nalami na po ta istorya, no? Mo na gid siguro na akong tagline ba, nalami na po ta istorya.
Nalami na gyud og storya. Alangan lingaw man jud na oy nga natural lang, ana ba? Kanang
Oo.
makakuan ta makachika-chika ra ta no, kanang mura ra gid miniyog friends nga machika-chika, kulang na lag red horse.
So, Dai, at the end of our episode, Dai, we always have quote for the day. Ang kapakyasan usa ka sukaranan sa kalampusan.
In English, failure is a stepping stone of success. So, guys, that's the end of our podcast. So, we hope you enjoyed today's podcast and learn a thing or two to become the best version of yourself.
As we always say, every day is a learning.
This is Abby,
And joy, we are truly.
Maka Proud. Till the next one.
See you soon.
Truly, Maka Proud.